First, the top headline: CID and PD official conduct inspection at fuel outlets, urges public to refrain from panic. Three-day bird census concludes in Ukhrul district. Students buddy to carry out bike rally on 24th May with the aim to stop cookie narco-terrorism in Manipur. Naga body reject allegation in Naithao pastor killing, points finger at the cookie group. Arms trafficking accused among active cadres of the proscribed outfit arrested in Manipur. Center notifies amendment to citizen rules, introduce passport disclosure clause. Supreme Court directs state to establish functional animal birth control centers in every district. A 23-year-old elected youngest Indian origin mayor of the British town. China agrees to boost U.S. agricultural trade. A very good evening. You are watching the primetime ELITETV English News. This is Naithao giving you the news in details. A team of officials of the CAF and PD department on 19 May conducted surprise inspection at several fuel outlets in order to curb buying petrols and diesel in containers. The team include OSD Haubam Bobby Imphal West District Supply Officer El Ibotombi along with other officials under the supervision of the CAF and PD Director Yumnam Nelson. Speaking to media person, OSD Haubam Bobby expressed that the department received reports of public resorting to panic buying with filling of petrol and diesels in container, and added that the surprise inspection was carried out to curb such practices. He added that the officials of petrol and fuel outlets have been directed to discontinue selling petrol and diesel in container. Apart from refilling vehicles, he appealed the general public not to indulge in panic buying and asserted that there is enough storage of fuel, including petrol and diesel, for the state Manipur.
Adu ban tawre adu tawre haidi container da loksan nagiba degi mayam singsina panic buying toksalak padegi haidi one day gi thog sina at least am the hafta ama 10 days pam amana mai yole poto nongmada panic buying tawne nongmada solution thokrane next day the yong thau le roi IOC degi mu salan ka kandam lakada factor leibani na adugi matam khar longna badu matungina moina evening da mu thau je tharani adugi marakta mu petrol pump jang thong lolane haidi lei thokrabani na adusu factor amni adegi hujik IPCL adi BPCL IPCL ngasi amadi hangowe adu BPCL gi da ayam loi lole maram di moi di depot leitamni na do adegi gari se moi su lambi da loina palla leiri yoksalak kadore ko adu mayam na BPCL ki thau lola ka IOC su edum lola wo hite wakhan da khanbi bu do adum khatang di relax to view.
On the other hand, Haubam Bobby further appealed the general public to conduct eKYC of gas consumer at their respective gas agency, highlighting that the initiative is mandatory as per the newly introduced norms of the Central Ministry. He added the booking of the LPG will be simplified after conducting eKYC, and also noted that gas booking can be done after every 25 days of gas delivery by the concerned agency. He also noted that delivery of the LPG can be availed after verification of delivery authentication code DAC at the time of delivery for smooth and hassle-free delivery. Consumer can book their gas by giving missed call at 845 49 55 and 555.
The yam kana confusion leisna kaino neba akhoi message tawre akhoi na ring kana miss call pi gre har kanda message lakte adu mai handa ado laktingai maram sina kaino ha kanda aina consumer aina isamak sina aina connection low matam da ai contact number am hapsa gi ko si contact number sina call to bi gada neba ado kaiguma adugi contact number se mana sin adre na hai targa su man EKYC to bi matam na mana contact number se pisan bi ra kanda restart to be a adugi minor system of labor. The agency that's a lagat of bigger than EKYC say Aduman to be a matum. The Nasagi Mayamna Amuk, I know saying doctoring was now Nasagi Miss School Peer Kanda, Messrs. Malay, Messrs. La Matunda, Moina Muk, Nasagi agency, the C number Tara consider high river consumers in a Kanga than Muk Nasagi, a digital Ruxem delay to Tokrevo. Delay to talk to Kitargadi, message to Kanga OTP number do delay to Tokitargadi, Nasai agency do not gas have a lacumatum the OTP to your own dragadi, gas to Tavi.
The United Naga Council (UNC) has rejected allegations linking Naga groups to the killing of the 3 Thado Church leader in Manipur, while alleging that the attack may have involved suspected Kuki militant groups operating in the area. In a press statement issued on May 18, the UNC condemned the May 13 ambush and described the victims as warriors of peace and understanding. The organization said it would support legal action against those responsible for the killings. The council alleged that social media campaigns accusing Nagas of involvement began shortly after the incident. It specifically referred to a statement by Kuki in Manipur, KIM, which allegedly named the ZUF Kamson group and NSC and IM as perpetrators within the hours of the killing. According to the UNC, the condemnation letter carried the date 6, month 5 and 2026, 7 days before the ambush took place. The organization questioned whether the statement had been prepared in advance and sought concrete proof from KIM regarding its allegation against the Naga groups. The UNC also criticized the response of the security forces, including the army, during the hostage situation that followed the ambush. It claimed that the 57 Mountain Division headquarters at the Laimakong was located close to the incident site and alleged that strongly action could have been taken on the same day. The organization further alleged that security deployment in vulnerable Naga areas remained discriminatory and highly inadequate. In commemoration of the upcoming International Day for Biological Diversity, the Ukru Forest Division, in collaboration with the Environmental Force, at grassroots level, successfully conducted a comprehensive 3-day bird census program at the scenic landscape of the Siri and Phangrai. The extensive field exercise saw active participation from enthusiastic students of the Department of Geology, Pettigrew College, Ukru Bridging, Academy Learning and Practical Conservation, engaging directly with the region-rich avian biodiversity. During the census, a total of 73 distinct bird species were identified and 803 individual birds were recorded across the survey site. This data will serve as a vital baseline inventory for the Forest Department to monitor the ecological health of the Siri and the Phangrai areas. During the interactive session, Forest Department officials emphasized the critical need for protecting wildlife biodiversity. Laistram Gitla, IFA's Divisional Forest Officer, DFO of Ukru, highlighted the need for safeguarding the unique and fragile biodiversity of the Ukru for future generations. Kokomi Student Front Convener Lukram Malangba Maite on 19 May announced that the student groups and associations are set to carry out a bike rally on 24 May Sunday with the aim to protect and safeguard Manipur from the rampant and continuous infiltration and attacks by the Kuki narco-terrorists. Addressing a press meet held at the Apunba Irai Paki, Mahiroi Singh Panglup, AIMA's office at the Kwakaitel Lukram Malangba Maite stated that the rally will be flagged off at 8 a.m. from Awang Sekmai under Imphal West District. Passing through Chingmairong Kongnang Anikarak, Thangmayban Lilasing Kongnang Kong, Thangmayban Kuyathong Nagamapal, Waheng Laikai Kay Sampat, Tidim Lambi, Nambol, Oinam Bisnupur, Ningthau Kong Moirang Kumbi Sangang, Wangu Wangjing Kunau, Umathil Kakjing Kunau, Wabagay Lamkai, Kakjing Lamkai, Sora Wangjing, Thauba Lilong, Singjamay Kongba Road, Kongba Ayang Pali Road, Lamlong Kaitel, and will culminate at Kumalampak Stadium at Dinku Road. He appealed to the masses to support the cause and cheer the participants of the scheduled by rally which aim to protect and safeguard Manipur and its people.
Haiba bike rally asida saruk yabininba mapung phana di yaba ngamloidaba singna mana ngamgadaba rally gi lambel asigi ngamjaba sangda yawi basu yagani aduga loina haiba rally asina lakpa matamda lambi gi nag yata leiba ireisa ifur khudimangna rally asida saruk yabiba khudimang pung mating pangbiu aduga loina na nakanda lambi da gari thawi ba isina khudimangna ngahanga tang hidok biduna haiba rally asibu mapung phan bi haina ko student from gi site gi hanjai.
Security forces and central forces conducted a series of counterinsurgency operations across multiple districts of Manipur on May 17 and 18, leading to the arrest of the 6 active cadres associated with the different main insurgent office. On May 18, central forces arrested 3 cadres of the People Liberation Army (PLA) from a strait between border pillar 77 and 79 under More Police Station in Naithao district. The arrested individuals were identified as Wangpoi Nahakpam alias Lingjel, 20 from Charangpat in Thaubal district, Nanao Bananday Bam alias Angao 19 from Kongba in Infal East district, and Malem Oinam alias Manitoiba 20 from Nambol in Bisnupur district. In another operations on the same day, security forces arrested an active cadre of the Revolutionary People's Front, People Liberation Army, identified as Dinglan Athokpam alias Ibungo 30, a resident of Phungdongba Mayay Lekay under Lamlai Police Station in Infal East District. The Oinam Baldeba Lifetime Achievement Award 2026 has been conferred on Atmasri Haisnam Sabitri Devi on 19 May at the Manipur Press Club in connection with the observation of the 83rd birth anniversary of late Oinam Baladeva Singh. During the observation, which was organized by Oinam Baldeva Memorial Trust, Kaishamtong Ilangbam Lekay, Trust member Tarun Kumar Kangabam stated that the observation aims to promote young and sprouting arts and culture enthusiasts in the state, with the further aim to enrich Manipur's rich heritage of arts and culture. The observation was also attended by Manipur Assemble Director Dr. K.S.H. Jogendra Singh, Critics Forum Manipur former President and Manipur State Kala Academy awardee Dr. El Gozendra, and Oinam Bala Deva Memorial Trust Chairman Oinam Nabakanta Singh.
Masigi pandamsi akwegi tasiwegi Manipuri culture art ki kenosing ngak kana namta bina hawalai na harun sing hawalai ba culture art ku pamjosing ku hawai haksang dauna yongbi na ba masu hai ko sing si manghan bi danu ba da mutta maya bina ngam
Security forces intensify operations to rescue as the hostage crisis in Manipur entered its 6th day on Monday. Whereabouts of the 6 Liang Mai Naga men allegedly held hostage by suspected armed Kuki groups in the aftermath of the killing of 3 church leaders on May 13 in Kangpokpi district remain untraceable. At the same time, Kuki-based civil society groups are also claiming that the 14 Kuki individuals are still in the captivity of the Naga armed group. Joint teams of the state police and security forces have been conducting operations to rescue the missing person, particularly the 6 Naga men in the last few days. The Congress on Tuesday, May 19, questioned why Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu continues to remain in office despite the Supreme Court directing the CBI to initiate a probe into allegations of corruption against him. Congress General Secretary Jairam Ramesh, in a post on X, termed the situation a gross travesty of the Supreme Court's order and asked why the Chief Minister had not been asked to step down. Ramesh referred to April 6 order of the Apex Court directing the Central Bureau of Investigation to begin a preliminary inquiry into the allegation that contracts worth Rs 1,270 crore were awarded over a decade to farm allegedly owned by or linked to members of the Khandu family. He also took an apparent swipe at Prime Minister Narendra Modi, asking why the leader who once said, "Na khaunga, na khane dunga," was silent on the issue. The center has notified that the Anand Marriage Act, which allows Sikh couples to register marriage solemnized under traditional Anand Karat ceremony, will come into force in Sikkim from June 1. According to an official notification issued by the Union Law Ministry, with the move, members of the Sikh community in Sikkim will now be able to directly register marriages conducted under the traditional Anand Karat ceremony. Until now, Sikh couples in the state were required to register their marriages under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 for legal recognition. Let's take a short break. We'll be right back.
Manipur के अहंबा न्यूरो पेशेंट्स के अमत तंगाइरबा स्पेशलाइज्ड हॉस्पिटल न्यूरो इमरजेंसी ट्रॉमा नेट मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल सिंगजाई मथक टोंगथाम लिकाई दा हांदुकचरे हॉस्पिटल असना मरुइना बीपी स्ट्रोक ब्रेन ट्यूमर लंबी की खुदोंगथिबा स्पाइनल डिस्क प्रोलैप्स स्पाइनल ट्यूमर अमदी माइग्रेन चिंगबा लायंगली हॉस्पिटल असदा न्यूरो की लायंग बर चंगबा अफबो मखल की खुसु खुलाई अमदी मेशिन मरांग काइद ले मसिना कोक मरी लेनबा तोंगान तोंबा मखल की अनाबा सिंग निंगथिना लायंगली लमदम मसिदा न्यूरो सर्जन यामना तांगरिबा मरमना चिंगमदी अराप मफमदगी लाकपा अनाबसी न्यूरो सर्जन उननब होनबदा अवाबा क्या मायोंगदरी मसिदा सुनतना मतम थिंथना अनाबा लायंगना मरम ओरगा खुदोंथिबा क्या सु मायोंगदरी मसी पुनमक्तगी खरदो ओरबसु कन्ननबा डॉक्टर पार्किंसन सिंह एमसीएस न्यूरो सर्जरी एम्स न्यू दिल्ली ना मसामकी हॉस्पिटल असिदा पुंग कुनमरी लेदुना अनाबा सिंह लायंगली हॉस्पिटल असिदा अताब ममलदा लायंग मतनतना ओपीडी जनरल अमदी आईसीयू बेड्स ऑपरेशन मेडिसिन एक्सरे अमदी लैब कमैली नबसनसु अताब ममलदा फंगल्ली ngasi magdenshin biro amadi khudong chaba singa silobiyo hena kuba mrol gidamag hospital asigi telephone number 7005534166 natraga 8974572154 da pau phabirak yagani
Competitive Success Academy Uripo Khosnam Laikaida Class 11 Science ki damag Ming Chanana bagi damag form thajare Counseling loba Class 12 ki examination da 16 position amadi 20 position puthokraba school ni Mahiroi singi damag kathoklaba well qualified oiraba oza singna takpi tambiri Mahi masingi damag hena matik jaba ama oina bagi damag library ki facility leriba school ni Arapadi ki lakpa Mahiroi singi damag boarding ki facility su laizari Angang singbu hena haithoi sing thoina bagi damag co-curricular activities su matik sana hapchuri Mahiroi singna class 12 loiraga Z NEET thaning labasu maming lairaba LN Academy ga coaching partner oiduna chahi khuding gi medical amadi engineering gi mahiroi kayama puthokli lairik te haizaraga laitalairba angang singi damak fee concession pizabagaloinana relief camp ta lairiba angang singi damak tasu tonganba khudong chaba pizari hena phaba mahiroi singi damak tonganba scholarship ki khudong sabasu pizari
New Life Advanced Diabetes Healing and Wellness Healthcare Center na natural oiba pambai sing amadi matamga chunarabu khutsukulai kya sizinaduna tongan balaina layong kaya mai pakna laying jari mafam asida laying jariba laina layong sing adudi diabetes liver disease arthritis lutong chikpa naba constipation sinus blood pressure piles gallbladder amasung kidney danung leiba kidney ga mari leinaba layong sing amadi asthma na singbani diabetes ki oina diabetes na ohelakpa khongkhu chikpa naba khongya saba tumba yadaba hakchang sokthabana chingba layong khodimak laying duna chada mari futara manga gi changda reverse thoba ngamle constipation gi oina numitara manga ni da mapung phana phanba ngamle amadi blood pressure tha amadagi tha hum phawgi manungda normal ohanba ngamle ngasi maglengsin bio New Life Advanced Diabetes Healing and Wellness Healthcare Center Thangmaiban DM University gi makha thangba kabole kai nongchup akhoi contact number 9856148205
Khanghanjaba Jalbe academic session 2026-2027 gi oina class 11 science tamna bagdamag Photon School Kwakaichel gi oina admission form thajari sakhanglaba any board amadagi class 10 pass tawraba mairoi singna admission form lobiraga class 11 science ta tamna bagi school asida ming chanbiu mairoi singi mark amadi grade khetnabagi matung ina tongan ba mawongda khudong sabasu pijari Kwakaichel da leiba Photon School gi office ta lakpiraga akopa marogi damak tanabiu natragana school gi pijariba mobile number sing 7005588538 natraga 8837451193 natraga 7005303412 da call tobirau office hour gi matamna 9 AM to 2 PM.
Welcome back. You are watching the ELITETV English News. The Ministry of Home Affairs MHA has notified amendments to the Citizenship Rule 2009, introducing new provisions related to passport disclosure for applicants linked to Pakistan, Afghanistan and Bangladesh. According to a notification issued on May 18, the revised rule titled the Citizenship Amendment Rule 2026 came into force immediately after their publication in the official gazette. The notification stated that the amendments were made under the power conferred by Section 18 of the Citizenship Act 1955. As part of the amendment, a new clause have been inserted in Schedule IC of the Citizenship Rule, requiring applicants to declare whether they possess a valid or expired passport issued by the government of Pakistan, Afghanistan, or Bangladesh. Under the revised provision, applicants are required either to confirm that they do not hold such passport or provide details including passport number, date and place of issue, and date of expiry if they do possess them. The amendment rule further states that applicants declaring possessions of such passport must undertake to surrender them to concerned authorities within the 15 days of approval of their citizenship application. The Supreme Court has refused to modify its November 2025 order directing the removal of the stray dogs from public institutions such as hospitals, schools, colleges, bus stations, and railway stations. In its latest direction, the Apex Court instructed all states and union territories to take necessary steps to strengthen and implement the framework rules formulated by the Animal Welfare Board of India (AWBI) for management of the stray animals. The court directed states to ensure the establishment of at least one fully functional animal birth control ABC center in every district. It further observed that considering the population density in different districts, authorities must take additional steps to expand the number and capacity of the ABC center wherever required. In a significant step towards ensuring compliance, the Apex Court directed all high courts across the country to register suo motu cases in the nature of continuing mandamus to monitor adherence to its direction. The court ordered the chief secretaries of all states file a compliance report before their respective jurisdictional high court by August 7. The union government was also directed to submit its compliance status within the same timeline. A 23-year-old politician representing a local council in eastern England has created history by becoming the youngest Indian origin mayor in the United Kingdom. Tushar Kumar, a former student of political science from King's College, London, took charge as the mayor of the Ilstree and Bury Hamwood at the ceremony last week. The Labour councillor joined the Ilstree and Bury Hamwood Town Council in 2023 and previously served in the role of deputy mayor. As one of the youngest councillors to be elected while still a student in London, Kumar believes that real change starts at the community level. Kumar has chosen WD6 Food Support as the focus charity for his mayoral term, a voluntary network helping the needy residents of the community. The role of a local council mayor is steeped in traditions and ceremony as a high representative of the area bearing the official chains of office. China has agreed to ramp up trade for U.S. agricultural products such as beef and poultry, buying at an annualized rate of USD 17 billion per year for 2026 and at that level for 2027 and 2028, the White House announced Sunday. The announcement came 2 days after President Donald Trump returned from a high-stakes summit in Beijing, where he sought to ease the impact on American farmers from the trade war he launched last year. China would restore market access for U.S. beef and resume imports of poultry from U.S. states determined by the U.S. Department of Agriculture to be free of the bird flu, the White House said. The deals are on top of China's soybean purchase commitment last year. The agreement offers some hope to American farmer harmed by the trade war as they saw a major export market for soybeans and other products dry up. Farmers also are feeling new pressure from Trump administration policies. The war that the U.S. and Israel launched against Iran has curtailed shipping through the Strait of Hormuz, a vital trade corridor that has restricted global fertilizer supplies and sent those prices soaring. Russia targeted 8 regions of Ukraine in its latest nighttime drone and missile barrage, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said Monday, with local authorities reporting that the strike wounded more than 2 dozen civilians, including 3 children. Russian forces fired 524 attacks drone and 22 ballistic and cruise missiles. Zelensky said the city of the Dnipro and the surrounding central regions of Ukraine bore the brunt of the attack, officials said. The barrage continue a recent spiral of long-range strikes that have grown in scale following a May 9/11 ceasefire that U.S. President Donald Trump said he asked Zelensky and Russian President Vladimir Putin to observe, but which had little impact. There is no sign that a peace deal is taking shape despite U.S. diplomatic efforts to end Russian invasion. For ELITETV News Channel, contact at email address info@elitetv.in or 940-289-0982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and X for more information about the channel. Before winding up, a quick glance at the headlines. CAD and PD officials conduct inspection at 12 outlets, urge public to refrain from panic buying. Three-day bird census concludes in Ukhrul district. Students body to carry out bike rally on 24th May with the aim to stop cookie narco-terrorism in Manipur. Naga body reject allegation in Thado pastor killings, points finger at the cookie group. Arms trafficking accused among active cadres of proscribed outfit arrested in Manipur. Center notify amendments to citizenship rules, introduce passport disclosure clause. Supreme Court directs states to establish functional animal birth control centers in every district. The 23-year-old elected youngest Indian origin mayor of the British town. China agrees to boost U.S. agricultural trade. That's all for today. Keep watching ELITETV English News for more updates. Thank you for watching.